practice a local language regularly so even I can share stories in Karbi. I hope to co design and help make a module for students like me who are non Karbi but are very intrigued to join the program. Cardo, and good morning. Sorry, good afternoon to everyone present here. Uh, I would directly want to start with my journey in HLB. I came to know about HLB through Serhon's post in Assam University WhatsApp group. It was intriguing, but I had no idea what was actually coming for me. When I first walked into HLB, I expected academic knowledge and practical skills. I expected grammar drills, module outlines, and checklists. What I did not expect was how much I would be invited to look inwards, to learn about myself as much as I learned about Karvi heritage. A line I keep with myself is by Carl Jung, who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakens. I won't overuse Jung, but that idea of inward awakening became real for me during HLP. We use the practice of putting pieces together until a whole image appears. In the group sharing circles, we practiced honesty. Those circles taught me self awareness is the first step to empathy. That lesson mattered deeply because I had the unique privilege and challenge of being the only non Karbi participant in HLP's 5 cohorts. I did not really speak Karbi, although understanding bits of it. At first, that felt like a wall, but those walls eventually became invitations. People slowed down, ears repeated kindly, people smiled and nodded. Everyday kindnesses built a bridge. My language barrier turned into an exercise in patience, observation, mindfulness, and curiosity. I learned to listen for meaning before words, to use gestures with respect, and to let silence be the part of the conversation. HLP's range surprised me, from spoken English to Karbi studies, from environment and biodiversity to AI basics, mental health, and practical pedagogy. But the most transformative module for me was Karbi studies, not because it gave facts, but because it revealed a living archive. Karbi history is philosophy in practice, stories, songs, weaving techniques, rituals, and more that embody a sustainable relationship with the community and the land. Heritage here is not a museum exhibit, it is a way of life. Everything coalesced during the 7 day internship. Teaching children arriving at dawn to find them excited and ready, that energy taught me more than what I had taught them. Those moments were more than any certificate, it was a sense of belonging. All of these experiences shaped my vision board, my 3 year roadmap. The number 9 holds special significance in Karbi practice and it appears in the CKS logo as well. So I shape my plan into 9 concrete actions: 3 for myself, 3 for my friends and family, and 3 for the community. These are, and I hope, practical, measurable, and rooted in what I experienced here. For myself, I want to deepen my understanding of public policy and grassroots work through focused learning. Practice a local language regularly so even I can share stories in Karbi. And start a small digital humanities project to record and summarize an aspect of indigenous practices. With friends and family, I plan to learn monthly heritage and innovation evenings that mix a story with a simple tech demo, mentor younger students and my juniors to encourage them to join HLP and programs alike, and help my circle record and preserve personal as well as family stories in audio and video form. For the community, I want to pilot a story and code circle that moves from oral storytelling to simple digital storyboards, and a local showcase, organize seasonal workshops in my capacity if I do, led by elders on practices like seed saving and weaving and document them for schools, and train local youth as peer educators in storytelling and basic digital documentation so that they can run their own sessions. These ideas are meant to be small, doable, and rooted in respect for local knowledge. Now, coming to how I will remain associated with HLP and my commitments. At first, I would like to start by saying I am not leaving HLP with just memories, but with a vision. I hope to co design and help make a module for students like me for non-Karbi but are very intrigued to join the program and also learn about the heritage. Um, and I hope to return as a mentor. I will surely come if called for the incoming participants and volunteer to co-facilitate at least one session. I will promote HLB through my networks, document pilot learnings, and collaborate on small publications or community shows to highlight HLP's model because the word needs to be spread a lot more. We don't have programs like HLP. It's the first time I have heard something about like this. I also want to give back locally. I will, if I am in the capacity and position, I will invite CKS as a partner in story and code pilots and host annual sharing events that include HLP alumni. I want to end my presentation by saying if there's one simple line I want to leave you with, belonging is built by small, consistent acts, showing up, listening, and sharing. HLP taught me that heritage is not static, it is a living practice we can nurture, celebrate, and adapt. My vision board is my promise to do exactly that, to learn, share, and return. Thank you so much.